welcome. Today we have something pretty unique. This is an all-in-one vape. This is 1 gram of Gramlin Strawberry Cough. Right here you could see the 1 gram, 88% THC, practically no CBD. And let's see how it looks, tastes, and I'll give my first review on it, and once I get closer to finishing I'll have more of a concrete review. So far looks cool, smell is decent. It doesn't smell overpowering, but it also doesn't smell too sweet. I've smoked quite a bit of Strawberry Cough, so I know what it tastes like, and let's see how well they did it. Okay. So for the taste, gotta give it an 8. Yeah. Taste is fine. Packaging, fine. Whole lot of craziness going on. Trying to think. Overall, very satisfied. I think if you're doing blinkers on this, you'll definitely be toasted. But I'll let you know how I think. Pretty sure I've been recommended this a few times, so I'm pretty sure it's a reliable brand. But let me know down below what you think about this product, and if you want to hear more about it or just me talking about it. So I'll see you later. And trying out Khalifa Kush, 1 gram, 38 gram or 38 THC. I'll let you know how it is. Alright, this is an LAX first class exotic flower Gelinade sativa hybrid. I'll let you know if it's good after. Alright, for first looks, it doesn't look too bad. I don't see any stems, but I don't really like the tip. As I taste, it tastes very good, honestly. I think this is going to be a quality J. As I said, I don't see any stems, anything that maybe you don't really want. Yeah, I'll let you know how it smokes, and at the very end what I would rate it. Alright, right before Circus Soleil, we're gonna have, me and my wife are gonna share this fruit. This is an 1/8 3.5 gram solventless infused indoor flower. Again, infused, over 54% in total cannabinoids, rocking around 51.1% THC. I've had plenty of these, and I can say from my experience that these are very, very consistent. But wow, will they smack you on your butt. So if you're not used to smoking, let's call it chain smoking. Most chain smoking is meant for cigarettes and stuff, but if you don't know what chain smoking is if once you smoke a gram, then you smoke another, and usually it's back to back, which is why it's called chain smoking. And so if you're not used to that, this will in fact destroy you. So be careful and enjoy it, even with friends, family. This is totally a anytime thing, made from the best. Yeah, Eighth Wonder is infused naturally and solvent free, using only the highest quality, which honestly I actually do agree. It's not that harsh, but wow, it hits. Alright, enough talking, and thanks for watching.